JDs and Lentilmen, it is officially time for pool opening of 2023. It's here. There's water, there's leaves. I've drained as much water as I could off of there. Got one little pocket down over that way. So I'm going to plug the pump in one more time, give that just a couple of minutes. And today, or right now, this video, because for you it's today, we're going to be taking off the leaf nets and the cover. There is absolutely no skill in this, it's just brute force. So with that, is this a good idea? Let us let the 2023 pool season begin. ever got in terms of leaves. That was horrible. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Oh, these are my Sunday best over here. They got dirty. They just got washed, you know. So that's nice. So we're looking not bad. What I might try to do is take a little intermission here, and I'm going to get the pump back on there and see what I can pump off of that. This cover is shot. We had it for 2 years. The corner by the steps there poked through, but I think it had a hole from the previous year anyway. So it's done. It's going out to the curb. But I want to try to get rid of what I can on the cover, because it'll just make it that much easier and prevent all of that water from going in the pool. I have not peeked under the cover yet. You know something? It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. That is really cool. It's really not that bad. It's not horrible. That's awesome. All right, so I want to do what I can to prevent any of this murky crap here from going in. So let me get the pump out. We'll go play that game for a while, and then we'll pull the cover. That's about the best I really can do with it. I had the pump on there, and there was a lot of... It was like modern day Nickelodeon slime. Dark green, but total liquid, and otherwise utterly useless. But the little tree shit that you can see on my hand, all them little pieces go and clog the pump up like every 2.5 seconds. More like 1.75832 repeating. So we did the best we could with that. We're going to kind of shuffle it off halfway from almost the center point, and then pull it from the far end, and just whatever falls in the pool falls in the pool. The good news is all the crap that's on the cover will fall in the pool, but on that end, which is where the manual vacuum plugs in, so that'll make it a hell of a lot easier later. So with that, let's go and get this cover off. Pool and had like taco, wait, that has vegetables, that won't work. Or XO81X is here because there's a brown cloud in the water, like really brown cloud in the water over there, like a really brown cloud in the water. But the rest is not as horrible as you might imagine. It's definitely green, but it's nowhere near as bad as I imagined. So really that's about that. We're gonna just run that cover out through the fence for the front because it goes out for the garbage tonight. And you don't need to watch that. So that is pretty much taking off the cover and leaf nets and all that stuff. So it's all it's there. We got to get it filling. We got to take out the plugs and put in the jets and all that. We got a lot of work ahead of us. But you will see those steps coming up in the next few zillion videos. So with that, I thank you very kindly for watching, and I appreciate it very much. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.